Welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're talking about the infamous KUHLI loach, also known as leopard loach, which are slender, eel-like fish that are native to Southeast Asia. They're primarily found in slow-moving streams and rivers in countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. These fish have been popular in the aquarium hobby for decades due to their unique appearance and peaceful behavior. KUHLI loaches are nocturnal and often burrow themselves into the substrate or hide in crevices during the day. Despite their reclusive behavior, they are known to be quite active at night, foraging for food and exploring their surroundings. KUHLI loaches have a distinctive elongated eel-like body that is yellowish-orange with dark brown or black bands running vertically across it. These bands give them a striped, almost tiger-like appearance. They usually grow to about 3 to 4 inches in length. Their body is smooth, lacking noticeable scales, and their small, delicate fins are almost translucent. In their natural habitat, KUHLI loaches inhabit shallow, slow-moving waters with sandy or muddy substrates. They are often found in areas with dense vegetation and leaf litter, which provide ample hiding spots. In captivity, they thrive in tanks that mimic these conditions, with plenty of hiding places like caves, driftwood, and plants. KUHLI loaches are generally shy and reclusive, especially during the day. They are nocturnal, meaning they are more active during the night. When kept in groups, they can be seen foraging through the substrate in search of food. Their diet consists of small invertebrates, worms, and plant matter in the wild. In the aquarium, they can be fed sinking pellets, algae wafers, and frozen or live foods such as bloodworms and brine shrimp. They are scavengers, helping to clean up uneaten food, but they should still be directly fed to ensure they get enough nutrition. KUHLI loaches do best in a well-established tank of at least 20 gallons, with a soft, sandy substrate that allows them to burrow without injury. They prefer water temperatures between 75 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH range of 5.5 to 7. Soft, slightly acidic water is ideal, and the tank should be well planted with plenty of hiding spots to mimic their natural environment. When it comes to tank mates, KUHLI loaches are peaceful and do well with other non-aggressive species. Ideal companions include small tetras, reservoirs, and other peaceful bottom dwellers like corridors. It's best to keep KUHLI loaches in groups of at least 5 or 6, as they are social and will feel more comfortable and display more natural behaviors when kept in numbers. KUHLI loaches are popular for their ability to help keep the aquarium clean by scavenging leftover food that falls to the bottom of the tank. However, they are not suitable for new or immature tanks, as they are sensitive to water quality fluctuations. It's essential to maintain good filtration and regular water changes to keep their environment stable. When setting up a tank for KUHLI loaches, make sure to secure any small gaps or openings, as they are known to squeeze through small spaces and may escape the tank. Also, be cautious when using gravel or sharp substrates, as it can injure their delicate bodies. That concludes our care guide for the KUHLI loaches. These quirky eel-like fish bring a unique charm to any community tank. With their peaceful nature and interesting behavior, they can be a delightful addition to your aquarium. Don't forget to subscribe for more fish care tips and share experiences with the KUHLI loaches in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Happy fish keeping.